this thing. And I did not get it on TikTok. I got it off of Amazon, but everyone else is doing it and peer pressure's real, so I figured, what the hell? I'm gonna try it. Okay, so what all comes in the box? I get all these pieces. Now I gotta put it all together. So you're supposed to measure it to your waist. You just pull these things out and boom. Okay, that's embarrassing. Oh, good thing we got these bad boys. Okay, so looks like we add this in, clip it, clip it. I hope it does the same on that. Let's see. Okay, that like barely fits, but we're gonna hope it does the same thing. No, okay. We're gonna need to add more links. So it only comes with this much more, and I know I'm not in shape, but I didn't think I was that out of shape. Okay, so let's add some more links. Remove any hair. Okay. Now, pinch my finger. Okay, so I say like 2 more. Okay, it's way harder to remove these pieces. Is this graceful? This feels graceful. I'm pretty sure the workout is actually putting it together. Okay. So measure, make sure that it works. Okay, we're gonna call that okay. Now, we got this and this. Okay, so now we've got this and this. So this looks pretty self-explanatory. I don't think I read any directions, but I don't like to do that. Okay, so looks like you just put this piece in here, then you can clip it back on, and boom. Okay, so I've got this like little tail thing. Okay, now I've got my thing, my little ball. Okay, I've got a cord wire here, a dog down there. I don't think it's gonna go well. What the fuck? Okay. So you need to give it a little bit of a push start. Woo! Sideways, my best angle. Oh God. Okay, I think I've had enough of a workout for today. I took one more link out, and I don't know if it maybe like helps. Getting it going is the hardest part. That didn't help at all. Okay, so we're gonna hold it and go 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so this is a little bit better. You need to give it a little and you can dance. Ooh, it's slowing down. Okay. Once you lose momentum, you really lose it. So I don't hit my ring light wire. But like, hopefully this is giving me abs, as you can see my fat, like, woo! Okay. Oh shit, cord, fuck. I think I'm done with my workout for the month, the year. Fuck all that. Okay, I'm back. I took one more link out, and I think this actually goes better. So, I have concluded that you do want it to hug your skin, because then you don't lose momentum, and if you do, you can start picking it up a little bit. So hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully my fuck ups make it easier for you. Okay, pretty sure I had enough of a workout today. Now, what would be kind of cool if it came with like increased weights. I'm sure you can buy more of these, but like I wish it came with the increased weights version. But yeah, I'm out of breath mostly from putting it together. But now that it's like fitted to your size, just undo it, drop it on the floor. Do that. Okay. So this makes my waist look really fucking long. It's kind of embarrassing. I do kind of like this top though. I got this top and it's a little short for a crop top, but it's summer and it's hot. The only thing is like the stitches on this are coming out. So hopefully you guys have a better time, but it was actually pretty comfortable because these things are like little bouncy things on your waist. Yeah. You know what they should have done is had like 2 of these for removing links. I feel like that might make it helpful. Maybe the engineering isn't on my side, but I don't know. Once you got your size measured though, it's not bad. Okay, like that makes my waist look huge, man. But this thing is actually kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. You still need the space of a hula hoop, but it worked out better than I thought it did. Shit, I had something else to say. Yeah. Oh, if you like this video, found it helpful, just enjoy the bloopers. Like the short, like these shorts, like these tattoos. If you just fucking like the video or you just want to be liked, push all the buttons, like, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, thumbs down. Sorry if you didn't like it. Message me if you got some ideas, drop a note, and I will get back to you. Hope you guys all have a great day. I had it before I even saw it on TikTok. Then I saw it on TikTok and was like, yeah, I'm gonna do that thing. Then I watched people say, I did it for 3 days and I'm already down a thing. And I call bullshit on that. Okay, so I don't work out. I don't dance. I don't do anything that's active. So over the course of a week, I didn't do it some days, but then I started doing it 5 minutes one side, 5 minutes another side. So it's been a little bit less than a week and I'm down a notch. Like, I didn't, oh, that wasn't right. Okay, fuck the little spinny thing. Okay, let me put this bitch back together just to take a notch out. I'm not going to put the spinny thing in because I'm just going to show you. Okay. So, let me tilt that down. Like, look at that room in there. So we're going to take out a notch. If I can't do it when I want to do it, it breaks when I don't want to do it. Okay. Little rolly thing back in. And yeah. So, I called bullshit, but I'm a big enough person to admit when I was wrong. So, hey, I was fucking wrong. And I like this thing. It's pretty cool. Also, moral of the story, you don't need to buy those super fancy high-end ones. You can just get a normal one or a cheaper one or any shit you find off Amazon that looks the same. But be careful, make sure you clip it all the way. And if you don't, the thing might break apart when you go really fast and go flying into your tea set. Like this video, found it helpful, just enjoy the bloopers, like the short, like these shorts, like these tattoos. If you just fucking like the video or you just want to be liked, push all the buttons, like, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, thumbs down. Sorry if you didn't like it. Message me if you got some ideas, drop a note, and I will get back to you. Hope you guys all have a great day.